Hi everybody, Aunt Blabby here for our first episode of Aunt Blabby's Garden for 2019. Welcome back. It's been a cold, mizzy spring here. Hard to get things done in the garden. But there are some new things and we're going to plug on through the best we can. One thing that's new is the paved road. Yeah, they tore up the asphalt last spring and left it a dirt road all summer long. And they came along this spring between the raindrops and paved it all in one day. The tourists love it. They're back and forth with their golf carts day in, day out. It's great. Yeah. So, oh, my hat is new. You like it? It's cool, eh? And we have some daffodils out. Now, I know a lot of people get these at Easter time, but we've got them now. They're cool. Yeah, they're beautiful. And the buds are finally out in the trees. Yeah. This is an apple tree, gorgeous buds out. That's promising. And the ground is just carpeted with wild violets. Don't you just love those? I do. And if we go over here, we see the ginkgo trees even starting to come out. It's always behind the other trees. We see these little green nubs here. Yeah, they're showing signs of life. And that's a good thing. Up here in the garden, we got some lemon balm coming up of its own accord, and then also some oregano. The members of the mint family, you just can't hold them down. And that garlic that we planted in the snow last fall, look at it all. It's all coming up. We're going to have a good crop of garlic, I'm hoping. It's looking good right now. Over here, we've got some kale. There'd be more there, but I used some yesterday in a lasagna. And some chives. So we do have things coming along. Over here, some feverfew and some clover. You can see that the containers are just a mess. They need to be cleaned up so I can put the bedding plants in, but just haven't gotten to it yet in this mizzy cold weather. So what we're going to do is plants that we planted inside are, some of them are getting a little leggy. We're going to take a field trip to a nursery to get some plants for the garden. There's more than one way to do this. So I'll see you there. Field trip. Field trip. So here we are in the greenhouse. Look at this. Look at all the plants. Couldn't you go nuts in here? I know I probably will. Not so elusive at this place are the green-shirted helpers. If you capture one, they will help you. If you need help, you'll have to remember to release them back into the wilds of the plants, bushes, and shrubs. And here we are. Veggie cell packs. Excellent prices. Great choices. When I'm done filming this, I'm going to go nuts here. Dianthus. Marigolds. Look at them all. Time to get my bedding plants in. Pansies, tulips, more green-shirted helpers. Carnations. Okay. So here we are back from the nursery. I didn't quite go as nuts as I thought I might, but you can see that we got some nice plants. We got some lettuces and some bedding plants. Over there we got basil, more bedding plants, some plug packs of peppers and tomatoes, bigger peppers and tomatoes, and some geraniums. Over here some lettuces and echinacea, some more peppers and tomatoes because man, we want lots of those. And dianthus. I love dianthus. And another beautiful flower there, look at that. And marigolds, of course. You gotta have lots of marigolds for the garden. So we're not done, but it's a start. And chances are we're gonna still have to take them indoors for overnight sometimes. There's a local folklore that you can plant when you've heard the frogs 3 times. We've only heard them twice. So we're waiting. Rhubarb and more lemon balm. And the lovage is up through the leaves. So isn't that great? Let's go pull a card and see what the universe has us to tell us about this. Okay. Okay. Oh, my hands are cold. I hope I can shuffle these okay. Oh, great. I love it. Okay, we got the 6 of Swords. Okay, and this is good news. This tells us that we're coming out of turbulent water into calmer waters. And this is what we want to know. Is there hope? I mean, it's only about 7 degrees above zero, which is freezing here today. It's drizzling. It's gray. It's not nice. I want to get my garden in. But I think I'm still going to have to take those plants inside until I hear the frogs one more time. I hope things are looking up for the coming week. I think they are. I think I'm going to keep a positive thought about it. So we'll be back soon to show you what progress we're making in the garden. In the meantime, oh, there's a beautiful robin. Oh, I hope I get to show you one. We got a few of them hanging around. In the meantime, remember, Aunt Blabby thinks you're the bee's knees. Don't let anybody tell you any different.